Hi there! I welcome you all to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you focaccia bread. Focaccia is an oven-baked Italian bread which has a similar style and texture like pizza dough. There are varieties of toppings which can be added to this bread. I'll show you olive and herb focaccia bread today. So let's get started! All we need is 1 + 1/3 cup of maida, which is all-purpose flour, little more than ½ cup of mineral water, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, few olives, 2 to 3 pinch of mixed herbs, 2 to 3 pinch of sea salt, which is samudri namak, 3/4 teaspoon of yeast, which is khameer. I have taken instant yeast, but if you're using active yeast or fresh yeast, instructions are given at the end of the video. And ½ teaspoon of salt, which is namak. If you guys are looking for measurement in grams, I have mentioned it along with the list of ingredients at the beginning of this video. Let's sieve the all-purpose flour, which is maida, first. Now goes in the instant yeast and salt, which is khameer and namak. Make a well and pour in the water. Give this a nice mix. This dough has enough hydration, so fairly it's a wet dough. Let's transfer the dough to the flat surface and knead it till it's smooth and silky for approximately 15 minutes. Take a bowl, add some olive oil and transfer the dough to the bowl. And coat it with oil by rolling it the way I am. Cover the dough with the moist cloth and let it rest for 45 minutes to 1 hour or till it's double. Wow, this looks perfectly risen. Let's transfer this to a flat surface, and it's time to add in 15 ml of olive oil. You can use any shape of baking dish. I'm using a round one. Let's prepare it by greasing a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil by making sure all corners are greased well. Transfer the dough in this greased pan and press it so that it spreads and touches all the corners. Take a bowl of water, dip your fingers and begin dimpling the focaccia and press straight down to the bottom of the pan. Do this all over. Time to add the toppings. Some sea salt, which is samudri namak, mixed herbs and few olives. I try avoiding the plastic, so I always cover it with the damp cloth. I'm keeping it for the second rise for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour in a warm place or till it's double. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Bake the focaccia for 20 to 25 minutes. Wow, this is smelling so yummy. Pour some extra virgin olive oil on this bread and this is ready to be eaten. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you for watching my video. Please comment and leave your feedback below the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Bye bye.